How to launch Steam games without updating. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to launch Steam games without updating. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. But before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. As you can see, I'm currently logged into the Steam app. Head over to your library from the top menu. In your library, you'll notice some games have update buttons next to them. On my screen, there is no update option as the games are already updated. But follow the steps to launch games without updating. Normally, Steam won't let you play until those updates are finished. To bypass the updates, go to the top left corner and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, click on Go Offline. Once selected, Steam will restart in offline mode. You'll see offline mode at the bottom of the app window. Now go back to your library, select the game you want to play. As long as it's a single-player or offline-capable game, it should launch without updating. This method won't work for games that require a constant internet connection or multiplayer functionality. That's how to launch Steam games without updating. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.